13-year-old Winshae Barrett has been found alive.
Teach them we find her! Teach them we find her!
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
13-year-old Winshae Barrett, who went missing from her Ryan Road home in Bath, St. Thomas on Saturday, October 16, has been found alive by a joint police-military team supported by residents in the Springbank area of the parish, about 3 miles from where she went missing.
Well, I just got word that the second girl that was abducted in St. Thomas has been found. She is with us now. I haven't gotten much more details from that, but she's alive and conscious. So the first thing obviously is to get her to medical attention. So they'll be doing that, and we'll see. The good thing is that she's alive and well. And
where was she found though? In St. Thomas? In the same parish or outside?
She was found about 3 miles away in a wooded area from where she was abducted.
The suspect?
We'll see.
Okay.
Right.
The suspect is still being pursued, said SSP Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit. Davian Bryan, who is the main suspect in the kidnapping of Felissa Priscilla, was also named as a suspect in the disappearance of Winshae.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!